A guide to earning money online. More and more individuals are getting involved in online money making chances. If you are one of those individuals who are afraid to go ahead and take the plunge from a full-time offline work to full-time online work, you should be able to prepare yourself initially prior to making any choice. Making money online is still a job. When you are earning simple from the internet, the only distinction is that there is more freedom. There are no grouchy managers to please, no hours to please, and no lax marked on days you do not feel like working. The majority of work being given online is volume based and not hourly based, although there are some customers who do pay an hourly rate for freelancers. Either way, there will be no corporate attire required or anything that will need you to travel further than your yard. Making money online is not as stable as an offline job. You might discover some social advantages not as suitable to online money making ventures. There are a range of online tasks to choose from. The very best method to know your online work niche is to have a truthful evaluation of yourself, your weak points and your strengths. If writing is your thing, you can look for freelance composing opportunities online. You can go ahead and do so if you stand an opportunity getting paid to publish in forums and moderate online communities. You can likewise do transcription tasks for documents, copywriting, shows, ghostwriting, and get involved in paid blogging. The possibilities are unlimited. Getting legitimate online cash making endeavors requires that you yourself establish a professional and reliable online presence. You will have to do a research prior to you go do a job with any person. Keep in mind the probability of being deceived is much higher. There is much threat in trusting complete strangers who offer you profitable offers. There are trusted individuals. Always search for referrals and inspect if other individuals who tried under the exact same task have actually been paid constantly by this person. Make sure that you are working for the right individual and that you are not being scammed. Absolutely nothing is more uncomfortable than labouring days and nights only to discover that the entire task was a fraud. Participating forums will help you understand which jobs are fraud and which are legitimate paying ones. When making cash online, having various tasks running concurrently can be to your advantage. The most essential thing when you are making money online is that you plan meticulously in such a way that you never ever run out of work to do and you will have a continuous stream of income. Do acknowledge that the nature of online money making opportunities are seasonal. There will be dry days where opportunities will cease. However, you have to be ready for those times. Do overtime work for seasons where there is a lot of work being provided so that you will have sufficient funds or to drought come from time to time. Making cash online is still a job. Making cash online is not as stable as an offline job. Getting genuine online money-making endeavors needs that you yourself develop a professional and reliable online presence. When making money online, having different tasks running concurrently can be to your benefit. The most crucial thing when you are making money online is that you prepare whatever tactically in such a way that you never run out of work to do and will have a continuous stream of income. I hope some of this has given you some ideas into the workings of an online person when they're changing from offline work to online work. If you want more information on how to start on the internet, I have over 280 videos, all on YouTube, so you don't have to go far. If you want to see more and find out more about working online, then go to my YouTube channel. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Put it into the browser. Click go, then scroll down the page. You won't see them straight away, but further down the page you'll find videos. As I say, I have over 280 up. So also below this video there's a like button, no sort of thumb up or thumb down, whichever you wish to press, but press the like one because it helps me on YouTube. So I'm saying also there's a bell that's up the top, I believe. Click on the bell and press all next to it, and YouTube will let you know when I put another video up. So other than that, make sure, as I've said in this video, please do your research. Use Google. Put whatever you're starting to do into Google as the same as you would normal writing it on a piece of paper, and Google will bring up pages of information of what you're dealing with and how you'll be paid and what sort of things they have to help you along your way. Also YouTube. Now they're good for certain things, like you put in how to earn money on the internet, how to make it in the internet world, how to start online, all things like that. You put into YouTube and they come up with videos helping you out. You can watch them, people explaining and showing you how to do things. They're, to me, better than Google because you see more, because they're actually showing you how to do it, whereas Google you have to read most of it. Right, now to help you, I have put underneath my video, there's a lot of links. Not all will be useful for you, but I've put all the tools underneath that I use, and they're all affiliated links. I don't own any programs. I own the tools, so I've already paid for them, but all the links underneath are affiliated. So when you click on these links, if you decide to purchase a tool or purchase a program, buy into a program, then I get paid a small commission. This is the way we work on the internet, and I think the way most of it will be when you're doing online work. You put links up always, and you get a commission when somebody buys, sells, joins, purchases, anything they do with the link, and they have to pay money, you get commission. So once more, do your research. It's Ian Jackson saying all the very best in your online ventures. Hope you come back again soon. Please click the like button below and subscribe. Most important, it helps me with Google, helps me with YouTube. I get mixed up now. I'm 83 anyway. I do this to keep the mind occupied and to help people out with stuff I know. So please click that like button. Thank you very much for watching. Ian Jackson saying all the very best. Cheerio.